So yeah, uh, what he is stating, you're given two strings S and T consisting of only lowercase English letters. You need to return the minimum number of characters that need to be appended to S so that T becomes a subsequence of S. So that T becomes a subsequence of S. Now, what is a subsequence that we will be checking, right? So, initially what he is giving, that is coaching, right? The first example case is coaching, right, and the next example case is coding, right. Now, what is subsequence? Subsequence is something that uh, the order should not be changed, but the characters should be there. Like, if you consider this coding, C is there, O is there, here D is not, here D is not there, right, in S. So if you append this D, so you'll go with D over here, and for remaining rest of the part, you can't come back. You can't come back for the remaining characters. You just need to move forward. That is a subsequence. That is the simple definition of the subsequence. You need to collect the characters in the forward direction only. By any chance, you can't return back. You can't return back. Now, what we will be doing in this, initially you'll take an iterator I on S and J on T. If both the characters are matching, then you simply increment your J and increment your I, and you see, now your I is standing on O and J is standing on O. Since both the characters are matching, you again increment your iterators of both. Now you see, both the characters are not matching. Now what you'll do, you'll just increment your I, and you again check this both two characters, and still they are not matching. You just increment only your I, and you again check H with D. It is not matched, so you'll move on throughout the end of the string, and you can see there is not even a single character that matched, right. So our, what is our jth position? So there are there are total 5 characters, right? 1 2 3 4 5, yeah, there are total 5 characters. And now, how many characters that we need to add? That is this 4 characters, right? So can I say, okay, the total length is 6. Now what is your jth position that you're standing? That is 2, right? So can I say 6 minus 2, 4? That 4 characters you need to add into your S string, so that as T can become a subsequence of S. So let us see this test case, which is A B C D E. If you watch A B C D E, S equal to A B C D E, right? A B C D E. Your T equal to A. Now you again make an iterator I on S and J on T. If both the characters are matched, you move both the iterators. Now since all the characters in string T has over, you'll just return from there. Now, this is our jth position. Now, what is the total size of string T? That is 1. And what is the iterator J? That is 1, right? Now J is standing on 1. So how many characters that you need to add? 0. So this is the simple algorithm that you can see the solution to. You just take the two sizes and take the iterator I on S and J on T, and you'll iterator while it is still, if both the characters are getting matched, you just increment your J, else you just increment your I, else just you increment your I. And after that, you can see, like, what are the remaining characters, how many remaining characters that you need to add, which will indicate our total length minus J. So this is the simple one.